The low rumble of engines broke the early morning silence as a column of Russian military trucks, packed tightly with troops, surged forward through a battered stretch of frontline terrain. What followed, according to Ukrainian military sources and circulating battlefield footage, was a sudden and violent confrontation. Ukrainian FPV drones descending with precision, turning the attempted breakthrough into chaos within minutes. The incident is believed to have taken place along a contested sector in eastern Ukraine, where Russian forces have repeatedly probed Ukrainian defenses in an effort to exploit weak points. Analysts note that such assaults often rely on speed and mass, with lightly armored transport vehicles carrying infantry intended to overwhelm defensive lines before they can fully react. Witness accounts describe how the convoy, comprised of multiple trucks and support vehicles, moved rapidly along a dirt road toward Ukrainian-held positions. "They came in fast, too fast," said a Ukrainian serviceman quoted in a frontline briefing. "It looked like they were trying to punch through before we could reposition." However, the advancing column had already been detected. Ukrainian reconnaissance drones, hovering silently above the battlefield, tracked the movement in real time and relayed coordinates to FPV drone operators stationed several kilometers away. This integration of surveillance and strike capability has become a defining feature of the war. Within minutes, the first FPV drones were launched. Piloted remotely using goggles that provide a live video feed, these drones are designed to fly low and fast, often carrying explosive payloads capable of destroying vehicles or incapacitating personnel. Their agility allows them to navigate terrain and strike with pinpoint accuracy. Video footage reportedly shows one of the lead trucks erupting in flames after a direct hit, forcing the convoy to slow and bunch together an outcome that made it even more vulnerable. Subsequent strikes targeted both vehicles and dismounted troops attempting to scatter into nearby cover. Military observers say this tactic, striking the front and rear of a column to trap it, is increasingly common in drone warfare. By immobilizing the convoy, operators can systematically engage each target. Once they're stuck, they become easy prey, said a defense analyst familiar with drone operations. The effectiveness of such strikes reflects a broader shift in the conflict. Drones now dominate large portions of the battlefield, making traditional troop movements highly risky. According to recent reporting, unmanned systems have reshaped combat to the point where even tanks and armored vehicles struggle to maneuver without being detected and targeted. In this particular engagement, Ukrainian forces appear to have combined FPV drone attacks with indirect fire support, although details remain limited. Explosions captured on video suggest that some vehicles may have been carrying ammunition or fuel, amplifying the destructive impact of the strikes. Russian sources have not provided a detailed account of the incident, but previous statements from Moscow acknowledge the growing threat posed by Ukrainian drone capabilities. A senior Russian official recently warned that the rapid development of such technology has made even rear areas vulnerable to attack.
Уебывай.
Пошли, пошли, чё, 300, чё?
Ukrainian officials, meanwhile, have emphasized the adaptability of their drone units. In recent months, operators have reportedly begun switching frequencies and modifying control systems to evade Russian electronic warfare measures, allowing them to maintain effectiveness even in contested electromagnetic environments. A Ukrainian drone operator, speaking anonymously, described the intensity of such missions. "You see everything through the drone's camera, the vehicles, the soldiers. You have seconds to decide where to strike. It's fast and there's no room for hesitation." The psychological impact of these attacks is also significant. Footage from similar engagements shows troops abandoning vehicles and attempting to flee on foot, often under continued drone surveillance. Analysts suggest that the constant threat from above has altered soldier behavior on both sides, increasing stress and reducing operational confidence. Despite the apparent success of the drone strikes, the broader frontline situation remains fluid. Both Ukrainian and Russian forces continue to conduct offensive operations, with gains and losses reported in different sectors. Recent assessments indicate that while Ukraine has achieved localized advances, the overall battlefield remains highly contested. As the conflict enters another phase defined by technological adaptation, incidents like this highlight the evolving nature of modern warfare. With drones increasingly dictating the tempo and outcome of engagements, future battles are likely to hinge not only on manpower and firepower, but on the ability to innovate and to survive in a sky filled with unseen threats.